An example of a sound masculine plural would be mudarisun, which is a teacher. Mudarisun, that's a singular. And then the plural will be mudarisuna. Just adding a wow nun at the end. That's masculine for teachers, male teachers. Feminine teacher will be mudarisatu, with the ta marbuta, the sign of being feminine. And then the feminine version will be mudarisatu, add to ending. You see, so this already shows this is feminine. So this is feminine teachers, one teacher, one masculine teacher, and teachers for male. I think everyone, when they're learning Arabic, should learn the singular and the plural and the dual word for it, but especially the singular and the plural, because when counting things, let's say from numbers 3 to 10, the thing being counted has to have the plural form of it. So like qalamu is one pen, then aqlamu is the plural for pens, is the plural for pen. And there are things called broken plurals and sound plurals, and then there are also mu'annath and mudhakkar. So the feminine plurals, the masculine plurals, so you have sound masculine plural, broken masculine plural, and these are the sound plurals. Wuna and yina, there's also ya nun ending. And for feminine, there is the alif ta ending. These are for sound plurals. Okay, these are called sound plurals because the word actually doesn't change much. You just add waw nun, like in this case, or here alif and ta to make it the plural. So this is mudarisun, which is a male teacher, and mudarisuna, male teachers. Mudarisa or mudarisatun, feminine teacher, and mudarisatu, feminine teachers. So these are some plurals, but there's a whole lot more going on with plurals that you need to learn, and it's very important, I think, because you need it to count if you're counting, and there's no way you can count if you just learn the singular. And then there's dual, that's for two things. You cannot use this for two teachers, meaning two teachers. There's a different ending for that, and I will put a link in the description below about plurals. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next video.